Hello gorgeous, here is my Sally Hansen Insta Dri review, and it comes in 0.31 fluid ounces, so that's that size, and then this is their normal size. Sally Hansen's dries instantly top coat. I googled how long this takes to dry, and this takes I think 10 minutes. This is an older model, this is an older design, older development, where this one I think is much newer. It's ASAP Apple, so it's like a bright cherry red with warm but also blue, so I think it's very much in the middle. And I found the one spot in my place that has a creaky floorboard. I used this a day ago at night. I typically like to do my nails at night so that I go to bed and I don't touch them. Otherwise during the day I ruin them by simply doing things. And this cracked because I took a really long shower and then I did something, and I also didn't put the top coat. So just as a heads up, this is supposed to dry in 1 minute. I googled it. Probably the best nail product I've ever tried. I have gone to the moon and back with doing my nails, and I like to do them at home because at the nail salon they do it too crazy, and it's really wide, so you can really slowly apply it, press it down gently, and then use it on your whole nail in one swipe. It's pretty fantastic. You only need one coat. I would give it more than 1 minute obviously to dry, especially if you have more than one coat. But the thing is, it does the job. It's very shiny, but I would still use the top coat to protect it so it doesn't chip as bad. There's a trick I learned to paint the very edge of the bottom of your nail so it doesn't crack and it stays as one. I'm gonna get this in more colors. There are so many beautiful colors. I'll have it linked below. I'm gonna get the nudes, the burgundies, and like some green ones for my toes so nobody sees them. Proper etiquette for nails is you wear natural tones, red, or the darkest is burgundy, anything that's close to your flesh tone. This is perfect for a top coat, but I also use it as a base coat because I'm way too cheap to buy like a separate clear thing that protects my nails. It does the same thing. People will probably fight me on this and say, no, technically these chemicals are, I just want there not to be stains on my nails. I didn't put a base coat for this, so that's also part of the reason probably why they're chipping. So I did this quite haphazardly, but otherwise I filed my nails with a hard edge, so I think it's 1,400 or something like that. I'll have it linked below, the exact one that I use. And there are multiple different types of sanding files that I use. So, and then one is the buffing one, and then the one to shine, so it naturally has that shine and you don't see like what is called Bose lines if you don't have proper nutrition or take the right supplements or simply eat properly. So your nails don't look like they're falling apart and dry and crackly if you're not someone who uses cuticle oil or some type of oats to nourish your nails. This I'm buying in multiple colors. This I'm gonna see if they have a newer version of this or some type of formula that's different. This makes a lot of sense with me because there are other brands that have like that round shape and I really don't like it. I don't like this shape. This actually makes a lot of sense. Oh, and a little trick that we do in finishing school is to always have the color that you're wearing in your bag so that in case it does chip, you can polish it up right away and always look put together. I really like the fact that it's sleek, that it's easier to hold when you're actually doing your nails, and I hate doing my nails. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll have everything linked below. If you like this, follow me on LTK at Gia Dixon for more style and beauty. Subscribe and click the bell, give this a like so more people can find this, and most of all, sign up to my monthly style mood boards linked below. Everything is totally free. These style mood boards are sent out every single month if you like classic, elegant, and feminine style. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.